What's up, guys, and welcome to my video. I want to say something to you guys, and so my Etui is broken again. So I don't know what is my Etui is coming again to me. So yes, my Etui is coming again about 2, 3 or 4 weeks. So yes, I going into my computer and find the videos with me is driving on Etui, and I going in and upload it on YouTube. So yes. Shit, guys. Oh, yeah. Bye.